You ever had one of those weeks where your kids go, "No, Mom, we don't need this," and then you run out and then you have to go to the store in the middle of the week when you weren't planning on it? Yeah. Hey everyone, we ended up doing a midweek trip to Walmart for various reasons, including one of them being that we ran out of one thing and the kids didn't tell us until they were completely out. So I'm going to show you a super quick Walmart haul. This is not part of next week's haul, where you will see like our normal weekly grocery haul. Hopefully we're going to get back to being able to go to Aldi's, Walmart, and Sam's Club weekly, plus slowly restocking our deep freeze that I have already replugged up. But let me show you two clothing things and then a couple things that we picked up from Walmart tonight. Starting off with, I bought a pair of ballet flats very similar to these about, I think, 2019. And the only reason that I'm having to replace them, and they're Time and True brand as well, is I accidentally wore them while using a brand new weed eater one day, and thankfully they were pretty durable because the weed eater like tapped my foot and scratched up my shoes, but not my feet. So, I mean, they were great quality for that. But finally, after 4 years, I had to replace them because, you know, they got torn up by the weed eater and they're kind of now starting to shred. So I went ahead and got myself another pair of them. I forget how much they are because somebody pulled the thing off of this. It was that way when we went to the register and checked out, but it was the only size 10 that they have because I have big feet. But I love their ballet flats because they're pretty universal. I can put them with casual, or I can put them with dressy clothes because I do not do heels, guys. I am way too clumsy for that. So I don't do heels. And these actually have memory foam. I don't remember if the other ones do or not, but I'm going to try these out and see if I like them as well as I do the other ones, because I think Walmart online you can get these with other colors, and I'm wanting to get a pair in brown because I have this brown skirt that I wear with dressy and casual that I need some brown footwear to go with it. So if I really like these and can find them online with the brown ones, I may get them. I really don't want to have to go for like one of the super expensive brands because I'm not a person to spend that much on like dressy shoes. And like my athletic sandals, yeah, I'll spend the extra money on them because I'm wearing them like for athletic purposes. For something like this, I feel like, you know, I don't really want to have to pay the high dollar. And I already know that ones like this will last me as long as I take care of them. So one of the things that we have started doing is going through our kids' swimwear. And one of the things we found was that my youngest, who is a tween now, is growing out of the swimwear sizes for like Wonder Nation, and she outgrew one of her swim tops. Now we have found that even if like we did not prefer t-shirts for our girls to swim in and shorts or swim skirts, that a lot of places are now recommending like, hey, if your kid's coming to camp here, they have to have on a swim shirt and swim shorts or swim skirt. So we've started looking around for some anyways, and we couldn't really find any tees that we really liked. A lot of them are tankini tops, and it looks like a one-piece top, which is obviously not a t-shirt, so we couldn't really find anything. But we were looking in the clothing section, and they had, in the women's section, they had the athletic brand shirts that are back in stock, and these are the water wicking ones, or sorry, moisture wicking ones. And these actually work pretty well for swimming. Plus, the hem is a little bit thicker, so it actually adds a little more weight, so it's less likely to, like, you know, fly up while you're jumping into water and things. So we're going to try this with my youngest. Again, she just outgrew the, actually, no, it is the kids size one because it's a size 18. So this is not the adult size one. This is the kids athletic one, and I got her an 18 in the kid size. But like Wonder Nation is still a little different than like some of their other kid sizes ones, because like my smallest teenager can still wear like some of the other brands that they carry at Walmart other than Wonder Nation. So we're going to try this one or see if it works. I'm not going to show on camera like bras and stuff like that, especially for like general public YouTube things, but we do buy like specific things for them to wear under these, and I already have bought something to go under this. It's not going to be completely see-through because like you can see the tag, the white tag underneath this. We did find that white sticks out a lot under here, and black does, but like neutral colors don't. So yeah, if you are having a hard time finding like swim shirts and you're like us and you've got kids looking at like camp or swimming things upcoming within, you know, March to July to August and that kind of thing, check out your athletic wear and see if maybe something in that section will work. So that's it for these two things. It's the only two clothing things. Let me show you the really quick grocery things that we picked up tonight. Here are the few grocery and household items that we have. Excuse me? You guys know how he is. I pulled the camera out, so he's instantly going to start whining. I really need to get these put up. So I bought 5 of these, and the goal was we're going to have pizza Friday tomorrow night, and I'm actually not going grocery shopping on Friday. I am going grocery shopping on Saturday. Matt and I are going to go together, see what things we want to stock up, and we're actually thinking of possibly not completely restocking the deep freeze with our income tax check like we normally do. We may just only slowly do like one grocery item every week to restock it, unless we're looking at needing to restock it faster than that, because we have other reasons why. But anyways, I'm thinking of taking one of these instead and putting it in here, and I may do that one. But anyways, so we have the 7 cheese stuffed crust, the buffalo style chicken pizza stuffed crust, the supreme stuffed crust, the thin crust bacon lovers, and the thin crust Philly cheesesteak. We really liked this one, and then there was like a spinach cheesy one that we really fell in love with, and the Sam's Choice one has more options of white sauce pizzas. These two are white sauce. I think this one is a white / buffalo sauce one. These two are red sauce, I'm pretty sure. I mean, it looks like red sauce on top, but I've been doing better with white sauce pizzas because the red sauce ones mess with health issues that I have. So I've been really liking these, but I have found that there are some things that I buy for myself the kids like too. So that's why we end up going back to getting the Sam's Choice ones. We had one who had a birthday. She wanted just brownie bites from Walmart for her dessert. Like, we gave her multiple options and she said she wanted brownies. So, and when we went through Walmart, they had these brownie bites. So that's what we bought her. The things we ran out of that didn't know we were running out of: napkins and toilet paper. I buy the Charmin Essentials. This did have a either 25 or 50 cent off coupon on Ibotta. I think it'll still be good the day this video goes up. And then check your Ibotta frequently, because Charmin rotates coupons for their different products. Like, sometimes they'll have just the Ultra Soft, just the Ultra Strong, and sometimes they'll have just the Essentials. So check your Ibotta frequently. The code that for our referral will be right here on the screen, and just check it frequently to see if they have it. Like I said, the day this video goes up, there was a 25 or 50 cent rebate for the Essentials. And then so the napkins. We finally found these, guys. I've seen a lot of people talking about the Dr. Pepper with the strawberries and cream in them. And our store takes forever to stock like new things. We just don't get new things until it's not very new. But we finally found the Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar Strawberries and Cream. This is mostly for Matt. I can kind of dilute this and have it, but mostly this is for Matt. But it's the Dr. Pepper, and like I said, they finally have it in zero sugar. So we're super happy about it. We actually did a not showing on camera Sam's Club haul recently, where we needed coffee. We were running out of coffee supplies, and a lot of the coffee flavors we found, we picked a Twix and Snickers box, like it's half Twix, half Snickers, the vanilla caramel, and then some Hawaiian ones. So flavors like that the blueberry was just not going good with, and we've been drinking more coffee right now with the income tax check coming in, because we've got a lot of things that need to be taken care of. So 2 things, the Italian sweet cream go with it, and then the chocolate caramel is just kind of to enhance some of the chocolatey ones. And then last but not least, I needed one more container of regular Gain. I am in the process of trying to run through getting a lot of laundry caught up, washing through, making sure the kids have everything they need for spring and summer wear. So Gain was a big plus, and the Spring Daydream smells wonderful. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all of our members for supporting our content.